back, episode number 2. Right, we've got to fit the neck today and need a few things. Obviously, to get the right length, wrap around tail piece, cut the tuners. We'll need our posts, but we won't need the push-in ferrules today. We'll just wrap some tape around those. Pretty sure that's all we need for today. We will need a drill bit to pre-drill holes for screwing the neck on, bolting the neck on, whichever way you want to call it. Stand by. Okay, grab yourself a masking tape and put a few wraps around the posts. So they go in like that. Therefore, the tailpiece bridge can sit there just nicely. Okay, just need to put your 2E tuners in. Quite self-explanatory, don't have to be too tight or anything like that. And we're going to clamp the neck onto the body. Put it as deep as it'll go. Won't need that for the moment. I'll put a little bit extra padding on the fretboard. Have me adjustment somewhere around the middle. So just make sure we got the correct length. So it's a Gibson scale, so it's 24.5 inches or 328 millimeters. 330 there, which can be adjusted out quite easily. And right on through 628 for the little E. All good. Now, let's have a look at the length for our screws. Don't forget, got a plate there, so about 2 millimeters. Okay. So that's about that depth. Bit of tape. our depth gauge. Although you need a little bit, leave a bit so I can clamp it in the drill. Alright, redone it in the truck. We do have to put our two E-strings in. The kit did come with two sets of strings, one just cheapy pair. And okay. Be nice for a bit of a twist that way, but yeah. Not perfect, but for me it's close enough. So imagine there, just there, there. Yeah, close enough. Okay, our measurements are close enough, and now we do have to drill some holes. Always drill holes, just nice and slow. Okay, we're just going to do a pre-drill all these holes up, screw these screws in these holes. Okay, they're all pre-screwed. Yeah, obviously the plate on there hasn't got right in, but final tightening when the plate goes on later on. Alright, we'll take them off and as you can see, the neck has been drilled, ready for final assembly later on. Okay, next episode we'll start sanding and we might do some staining. Alright, see you next time.